Could the future of democracy be hanging by a thread, or rather a wire, in the form of electronic voting machines? Today, we grapple with this question by exploring the inner workings of these machines and the controversies that surround them. Now, let's imagine a typical electronic voting machine. It's essentially a computer made up of two units, the control unit and the ballot unit. The control unit is the brain of the machine, manned by the polling officer. It sends signals to the ballot unit, enabling it to record votes. The ballot unit is where the voter interacts with the machine. It displays a list of candidates and their respective party symbols. The voter presses the button next to their chosen candidate and the vote is recorded. But how does the machine ensure the vote is secure? The control unit has a close button. Once all voters have cast their votes, the polling officer presses this button, preventing any further votes from being recorded. The votes are then stored in the machine's memory. The machine doesn't require an internet connection to function, which theoretically makes it immune to hacking. On the day of the result, the control unit is connected to a computer and the votes are counted. However, despite these measures, electronic voting machines have been at the center of controversy. Questions have been raised about their reliability and security. Critics argue that these machines could be manipulated or tampered with, skewing the election results. These concerns have led some countries to revert back to paper ballots, while others have implemented additional security measures, such as voter-verified paper audit trails or VVPATs, which allow voters to verify their vote before it's recorded. So, let's recap. Electronic voting machines are essentially computers made up of a control unit and a ballot unit. The control unit manages the process, while the ballot unit records the votes. The votes are stored in the machine's memory until they're counted. Despite these measures, there are concerns about the reliability and security of these machines. Critics argue they could be manipulated, leading to skewed election results. In response, some countries have reverted back to paper ballots, while others have implemented additional security measures like VVPATs. The question remains, can we trust electronic voting machines, or should we stick to the tried and tested paper ballots? Only time can tell. But for now, it's crucial that we continue to scrutinize these machines and push for greater transparency and security in our electoral processes. And with that, we conclude our discussion on electronic voting machines. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and remember, your vote is your voice. Make it count.